being able to pick up the Flycity electric sitting desk in a little box and easily carry it upstairs was just mind-blowing for me. I mean, putting it together, same amount of steps that you would see with other sitting desks, but it came in a much smaller box due to the split desktop, but just very, very light. And I think most people would be able to put this together by themselves, which is actually very excellent. Even though it's light does not mean that it's not powerful at all, which it is. The split board does have a visible, but it's not a big deal, at least for me. There is a full board option at a similar price if you want. The customization options are a big plus. Most affordable standing desks usually offer maybe 2 colors, but this one gives you many choices. I picked up the 48-inch rustic brown split board, but there are other styles and colors like white, black, or maple. Also, there are sizes where the whole piece board around 55 inches, and this variety really lets you match the desk to your decor or preference. The lifting and lowering mechanism is exposed and you can kind of see it working, which is kind of cool, but it might be a little different with some other standing desks. But it operates quietly and won't bother you or your office neighbors. Despite being lightweight, the desk is sturdy even at its highest height. The stability comes from the T-frame design, which centers the weight and makes sure it's evenly distributed. So even at its highest, you'll feel very little rocking. The desk can go anywhere from 28 inches to 47 inches at a speed of 1 inch per second. The 2 memory buttons are very convenient, but I'm a little greedy. Getting 1 or 2 more memory options would have been nice, but then that might just be me. It also has a nice child lock feature, which prevents any unintended adjustments when you're not looking. This desk design kind of helps you work healthier by letting you switch between standing. The desk can hold up to almost 200 pounds. And really, again, the strong self-locking mechanism kind of keeps it stable, as well, again, the T-frame. Make sure that no matter what you have on it, it's safe and secure. The Flycity electric standing desk is built to last, but even so, they do offer a 10-year warranty, which is within the range you'll find in a lot of standing desk companies. Packaging is well thought out to protect the desk during shipping, which kind of helps the desk arrive without damage and is ready for assembly. I thought it was just the legs, but everything was well assembled and also easy to put together alone, which is something very unheard of for most standing desks. The 48-inch surface should be enough for most people, giving you space for at least 2 monitors, keyboard, and other office items. But if you have a lot of equipment, I would recommend the 55-inch option. I was not expecting this level of detail and quality and also care at a much, much lower priced option. And its strong build with easy to use features and thoughtful design makes it really stand out. If you're looking for a wonderful option that really doesn't need to break the bank, offering a premium experience at a fraction of the costs, check it out and let me know what you think.